What's good? It's Chigozy. Wednesday, September 11th, 2019. It's 9/11, so I'm just going to talk about that as well. Their theatrical event that they put on back in 2001 where they demolished some towers with people inside. This is what this gang does. This is the agenda you're living out. It's also a date with 39 numerology, the reflection at 93. Think about the 1993 World Trade Center bombing. Think about how Flight 93 hit the World Trade Center, etc. 93rd floor. It's a big New York number. So they could even, play this into the whole thing. And don't forget, New York equals 111. Today's the day with 111 days remaining. Today could be a really good day for some New York flavored propaganda. September 11th aside, it's just the fact that it's a day with 111 days remaining with 39 numerology. New York equals 39 and 111. And we know how New York loves to participate in all sorts of propaganda, especially the NYPD. So today's a date with 5932 numerology. Negro equals 5932, so they can do that. They could talk about Eric Garner again, because that's like NYPD and black people. That'll be very good. Day with 50 numerology, Donald 50, America 50, and of course the 254th day of the year, time 254, light 254. Could also have something like that too. But let's just see. They might just be talking about September 11th, or maybe not. Maybe they don't talk about it as much anymore as they used to, because there's just so much propaganda. Yeah. Bolton wanted Trump's global reality show to end. They always do this. They let you know that Donald Trump is an actor and you're living out a reality TV series. And then people think I'm being metaphorical. Well, what are they doing? Oh, I guess CNN's also being metaphorical. I mean, how dumb can you be? They're telling you what I'm trying to tell you in all of my videos. Donald Trump, John Bolton, these are two actors for the Freemasons, the Zionist Jews. Not only did we get these two lightning bolts by Donald Trump this time, now we get this inverted pentagram also as well. They make sure you see this inverted pentagram. Here he's doing the Masonic gang symbol, holding the glasses. And someone also mentioned that it's a sign of enlightenment, which I find interesting how they would have that parallel with this upside down pentagram too. Because the right side up is a sign for enlightenment. So, but you see it, a Masonic, we all know that's a holding the eyeglass gang sign. We're aware of that. And you see how they have an inverted pentagram as well. We have these two lightning bolts, and we have two actors, and they're here telling you it's a global reality show. What does that mean? It's a one world order. It's like, why even continue to make the video? And they're talking about why they continue to talk about it, because today's date with 39 numerology, security equals 39. So that's why it's a front page. Donald Trump from New York. So, it is New York propaganda. New York is the 11th state. Updated this at 11 on September 11th. 11, the master number. John Bolton out as National Security Advisor. It's still that minute 44 video. But, I think that should explain it. If you're new to this channel, you don't have to watch any more of my videos. CNN is telling you right here that this is a global reality show. He is just an actor. Now can you finally understand he's just an actor? The ex-National Security Advisor was increasingly in the way of the president's photo op diplomacy. Why are they using the word photo op, especially here? Because these are staged photos. Another thing that I've been trying to teach in every single one of my videos. These are staged photographs. These are actors. This is completely fake news propaganda. You're being deceived by the federal government. Analysis. For John Bolton, it was almost destined to end this way. Why? Because it's a script. It's scripted theater. They're literally giving you all the clues right here. This is who could replace John Bolton. We got to see that, because it's by, even if they don't replace him, it's by the numbers. We're not gonna see, like, I can do this on my own. You can do this on your own. See, how many days they're born apart and how many days from this guy's birthday they're doing this. Oh, is the internet slow? Okay, I'm gonna have to pause it and mess it around. Hold on. All right, so I'll try again in a bit, but for some reason there's just no connection on this phone right now. Typical. What they're saying, they even say again, John Bolton had to go because he wanted to cancel President Donald Trump's worldwide reality show. They're letting you know again. His desire to shake up the globe. Trump's dysfunctional. I mean, you see they're blaming Trump, bizarre Trump, dysfunctional. That's why this stuff is written for the dumb people of the world, especially America, because they know that people just believe that Donald Trump's just some bizarre businessman. He's stupid. He doesn't know what he's doing, or they believe he's a savior. He's the man. You know, President stroll in North Korea with Kim Jong Un. Today's the day with some North Korea or Korea numerology 5023. Today's 32 to reflection, but you know what I mean. I think it's 23 as well. I'm gonna try this one more time. I would like some propaganda. There we go. At least 10 names being discussed to replace John Bolton, updated at 9:39, 93:39 on September 11th. All but the number 93:39. New York, we were just talking about this pattern. Today's the day with 39 numerology. Security equals 39. And here at 9:39 they're doing this. Still have that minute 44 video. When you read up 44, you get 144. The Lima 44, kill 44. So I don't want 10 names. But do you know why it's 10 names? When you read out 10, you get 39. This is a giant 39 ritual on a day with 39 numerology. I said they're going to do this. Yes, it's not too New York centric, besides we get Donald Trump on September 11th, but you see what they're doing. Security equals 39. When you round out 10, you get 39. That's what the 10 Bill of Rights, or sorry, the 10 amendments that are part of the Bill of Rights were drafted in New York. New York 39, 1039, drafted by what? James Madison. Madison equals 39 with the S exception. When you reduce S only once, 39 Madison. See what I mean? Again, New York 39, today with 39 numerology. And here we get 939. I mean, it's just, what else could you ask for? It's completely coded propaganda. Again, 10 names. It's a giant 39 ritual. Doing it all on September 11th. Can we at least say the first name? Brian Hook. He's the first. We're just going to do him because he's the first one. Yeah, we'll do Rob Hook. Or Brian Hook. I mean, they're all coded, but, just for time's sake. Hook, 49, 59, like Freemason 59, Revelation 49. I think that piece was published yesterday too. But again, they're talking about it today. Just to let you know. Yeah, so this was published on the 10th. At least 10 names on the 10th. But they have it on the front page today on this 39 ritual. That's what I'm trying to show you. It's always also when they put it out on the front page. But again, Mike Hook, that name matches the date numerology of yesterday. Or not Mike Hook, whatever his name was. Brian Hook. Brian 44. Brian Hook 93. The reflection of 39. It is coded. Propaganda 9348. Donald Trump 48. You see how this works? It's all about the number 9339 in this ritual. That's why they updated it at 939. Brian Hook 93. Donald Trump from New York. And I kind of want to see the second one. Ricky Waddell, Major General in the United States Army Reserve, who served for a year as Trump's Deputy National Security Advisor to Trump. So you know that this is just another agent. He's in the military. This is military propaganda. It always is. Military equals 44. Ricky, Waddell. 25 like Trump, 38. Yesterday's date with 38 numerology. So both these men, their names connect to yesterday's date numerology, and that's when this came out. Is it Ricky Waddell? Let's double check. Ricky Waddell. 1270, 31st prime. Scottish Rite of Freemasonry, that equals that. Sacrifice 55. 197 is the 45th prime. Donald Trump, the 45th president. I guess third time's a charm. I won't go any past 3. Rob Blair. Robert equals 33. But Rob Blair. Blair equals 9339. This is so coded. Security 39. They updated the propaganda at 9:39 today on a date with 39 numerology. That's when they did it today, when they updated it. You see how this the third guy in the list now, we get 9339. The first guy, his first and last name equals 93. Now Blair, we get 9339. 42. Saturn 9342. Rob 35, like Thelema. 3546, like Catholic. Rob Blair, 139 like Freemasonry, 58 like Freemasonry, and 77, 58 like Rosicrucian, like Judaism 77, Washington D.C. and 77 Meridian. But you see it here. I mean, of course, his name 41 to 13th prime, but Freemasonry is his name. I'm about to close the video, but I mean, you just saw it. These are actors. It's completely fake. Donald Trump's a puppet for the New World Order. Peace out.